Think big. We make it possible. This is CIS Coffee Break video series, and today's popular article is The Positive and Negative of Blockchain Technology Explained. In this article, blockchain in its entirety is discussed. Is blockchain the hero, or the villain, or both? There is a strong belief in favor of blockchain, along with the modifications it may result in across varied industry verticals. The article then expands on how blockchain is a distributed ledger of all cryptocurrencies such as bitcoins. As for certifications in India, blockchain classrooms are now complete due to IT professionals discovering it a more rewarding career choice to pursue. The article concludes by discussing how blockchain includes a more stable potential due to its capabilities to change societies and form our future. So, there you have it. If you would like to read the full article, click on the link below. Again, this has been CIS Coffee Break video series. Thanks for stopping by.